Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Pistachio Basque Cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl. Then into the mixing bowl place your soft cheese followed by the sugar and whisk together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You don't need it to be like a cake batter but somewhat like that, so it's well combined but not super light and fluffy, but well combined. As you're doing it by hand, feel free to use an electric whisk as well. Once you've got to the consistency you're happy with, you can then add in your eggs and mix these in until they are fully incorporated, not forgetting to add in the vanilla as well. Then go ahead and add in the pistachio paste and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. You'll find that I'm adding ingredients step by step, and this is just how I make the best version of this cheesecake, and it's just whisking them in until they are fully incorporated. Once that's been done, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so don't forget to scrape the top and the bottom of the bowl, but since you're doing it by hand, you might not have too much of an issue. Then go ahead and add in the double cream and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice a change in the colour and consistency. It will become paler in colour and slightly thicker. That is completely normal and what you're looking for. Stop whisking, then add in your final ingredient, which is the flour, and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated, being careful not to over mix it too much. Give the bowl one final scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and transfer the cheesecake batter into your lined pan. I'm just using an 8-inch round pan which has been lined with 2 pieces of parchment scrunched up and then overlapped each other so you've got full coverage. Once it looks like this, place into your preheated oven and bake it off. After baking it off, allow it to cool completely, then chill in the fridge. This is the best way to serve it. Then go ahead and cut it up once it's cool into as many or as few pieces as you would like. I went with 8, but feel free to go with more or less to suit your occasion. If you've never made a Basque cheesecake before, you will always find that the centre of the cheesecake is a little more soft or a little bit more jiggly. This is completely normal and what you should expect with a Basque cheesecake, and here's what mine looks like once it's fully baked, cooled and ready to serve. Believe me, this is one of my favourite things I've made this year. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.